Most people get this wrong when it's time to cash out their Ibotta earnings. They focus so much on earning cashback that they never learn the best way to withdraw it. Here's the truth no one tells you. Ibotta offers multiple withdrawal and redemption options, but each one works a little differently. Choosing the right method can make the process faster, easier, and more convenient. In this video, you'll learn all the major Ibotta withdrawal methods available in 2026, how each option works, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get straight into it. Once you've earned enough cashback and met the platform's withdrawal requirements, you'll be able to access the redemption section inside the app. This is where all available payout options are displayed. One of the most popular choices is direct cash transfers through supported payment services or linked financial accounts. Many users prefer this option because it converts cashback into spendable money rather than store-specific rewards. For example, Alex earns cashback throughout the month and prefers receiving funds through a linked payment account because it gives him flexibility to use the money however he wants. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not everyone chooses cash withdrawals. Many users redeem their earnings through gift cards. Depending on what's currently available, gift cards can provide access to popular retailers, restaurants, entertainment services, and other brands. For some people, this option is convenient because they already shop with those businesses regularly. But here's the problem. Many users select a withdrawal option without checking the details first. This is where most people fail. Processing times, availability, eligibility requirements, and redemption choices can vary. Before confirming a withdrawal, always review the information displayed in the app so you know exactly what to expect. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose the right withdrawal method. Let's compare two common scenarios. John wants maximum flexibility. He chooses a cash-based withdrawal option because he can use the money anywhere. Jake shops frequently with specific retailers. He chooses gift card rewards because they fit his normal spending habits. Neither option is automatically better. The best choice depends on how you plan to use your rewards. Now, here's where it gets even more important. Before withdrawing funds, make sure your account information is accurate and fully verified. Incorrect payment details can create unnecessary delays and complications. Another good habit is checking for any notifications or account messages before submitting your withdrawal request. Resolving issues in advance can help ensure a smoother redemption process. Let's quickly recap. Ibotta generally offers cash-based withdrawal options and gift card rewards. Review available choices, verify your account information, understand processing times, and choose the option that best fits your spending habits. The good news is that once you understand the available methods, cashing out your rewards becomes much simpler. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more cashback app tutorials, and let us know in the comments which Ibotta withdrawal method you use most often.